Alright girlies, get into the texture. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this hair and how it took the ringlets really well. The curls are free today. I love that my curls are flourishing, but Nadula is going to help enhance them a bit. This is one of my favorite styles to do on myself, so shout out to Nadula Hair for sending out this V-part water curly wig. Now the hair is in here and we're gonna get into the goodies and all of that. And this is in a 20-inch. But yes, I do see the water wave kind of texture, so that's why they consider it water curly. Mainly the coils are in the front, not so much the back half, but once you stretch it, it does look like it is the same length as the hair. I was thinking that it may have been layered up, but it's not so much. It is adjustable, so you can make sure that it's snug fitting to your liking, if you will. The adjustable drawstring in the back where you can just pull by holding the button down, pull it to your secured tightness that you would like, and then apply the tiny little button that's on top. And that's how you're gonna make sure that it's secure and staying in place. Pinch the button and just adjust it and make sure that it's comfortable on you, or you can just revert the wig back to its original form. It still has the combs attached to it, one on each side and one in the back. But they also put these two combs in the front of the wig, and this is going to allow you to have a bit more security and comfort versus the clips, because I was getting a lot of tugging or irritation towards the front of my hair when I would wear my V-parts, that sometimes I wouldn't even clip the front comb. I would rather put a bobby pin in that area. So as you can see, the V-part is holding together by just this little tiny piece of fabric. So I do like to remove it, this area right here in the V-parted section. Try to make this as flat as possible to blend in with our natural hair, whether you have thicker hair, finer hair. A flatter illusion towards the perimeter is just going to make everything look a bit more seamless. Y'all see how juicy and bouncy the curls are, the wave is, and it just looks really good. The hair is in a natural black, so it's more so 1B, and I would have dyed this, but for the sake of the video, I wanted you guys to see the finger coils. And I do think that, you know, they're cute, but I still appreciate the top part still having the wave to make sure that it's blended all together. Now we're going to section off my hair into like a V-part section to complement the V-part wig versus doing this, and that will have a little bit of security for your wig to attach to. So I went ahead and popped the wig on, making sure that I tuck the combs, attach the clips, and making sure that it's not any tension onto my braids, because they were pretty small, but they got the job done, and I just wanted to make sure that everything was comfortable. So once I liked how everything was looking, I did go ahead and adjust the back. Now you don't want to have this too tight. Obviously you want to make sure that you're able to think and breathe, so just adjust it to your liking. And I just wanted to show you guys how flat she was, baby. She was super flat, so you can do so many different unique styles with this, if you will. And I chose to go for a side part. I was thinking about doing like a flip over, like no part kind of vibe, but I went with the side part. I used my Chibi buttermilk for my natural hair and my Auntie Jackie non-shrink gel and this bristle brush to just blend my hair with the curl pattern before I do anything to the hair. And this literally has been like such an easy 1-2 step for me versus trying to manipulate my hair and make it blend in with my curl pattern or with the hair pattern. So I like to do this, and then I mist the hair, making sure that I get it all damp. It was so easy for me to finger comb it, so I loved that. And then I just made sure to go over the top part with my comb just to ensure that my hair was blending in with the rest of the hair. Now once I make sure that the hair is completely damped and detangled, I wanted to add some shape into the front, so I did some face frame layers, and then I used my BLT foam mousse just to enhance the curls a bit more and add some more ringlets throughout the hair. So my little finger coil method, I used my pinky or my pointer finger to pretty much achieve the look, and I just wanted it to be all over the head just so it can really get into that too textured kind of wig. If you guys have been seeing that around, it just allows the wig to look a bit more fluffy, big once it completely air dries, and I love that look. So I pretty much do this over the whole entire wig, and it turned out so freaking cute. But this just shows you how versatile Nadula's unit is, and the hair was so easy for me to manipulate. So I can't wait to try out a few different styles with the hair, but I love this. Now, when I'm wearing my hair in its natural state, this is like my go-to kind of vibe, especially if I'm tired of doing braids and keeping my hair all the way braided up. I like to let it breathe a little bit and just create me like a little flip over method or a side part with my V-part wigs or even my half wigs, and it comes out so good. Alright girlies, get into the texture. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this hair and how it took the ringlets really well. I did add my own ringlets in it just to enhance it a bit more, so the bottom just didn't have its own. And then everything just looks super cute. I did add little bobby pins on the side of my hair so my hair could be a bit wavier versus curly, because as soon as I add any product to it, it just reverses back super quick in a tight coily situation. And obviously I didn't want that, but yeah, I really do think this is a versatile look for a wavier texture for me to get the coils into the hair, and I'm obsessed with it. But I will link all the information down in the description box below. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes so this can fully dry and see what the final results look like. But I'm happy with everything so far, so I will BRB. But I will link all the Nadula information down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out and let me know what you guys think about it once you see the final look. I love my girls, and I will see y'all soon. Bye girlies.